Parsley is a popular herb often used in American, European, and Middle Eastern cooking. It's commonly used to elevate the flavor of dishes like soups, salads, and fish recipes. Aside from its many culinary uses, parsley is highly nutritious and has been shown to have many health benefits. Using parsley in cooking is a great way to boost the taste and improve the look of a dish without adding extra salt to the meal. Parsley can also provide nutritional benefits to the bones and immune system. A few facts about parsley. Parsley may help to protect against cancer, diabetes, and bone weakness. 1 cup of chopped parsley provides approximately 1,230% of an individual's daily recommended intake of vitamin K, 16 calories, 104% of vitamin A and 128% of vitamin C. You can blend parsley into smoothies or add it to meals as a garnish of herb. Important: do not consume parsley while taking blood thinners. This is due to the blood clotting effects of its high vitamin K content. According to the United States Department of Agriculture National Nutrient Database, 1 cup of chopped parsley contains 22 calories, 1.78 grams of protein, 0.47 grams of fat, 3.8 grams of carbohydrate, 2 grams of fiber, 0.51 grams of sugar. The following possible health benefits have been linked to the consumption of parsley. May help prevent cancer. Myricetin is a flavonoid found in parsley and other plants. It has been shown to help prevent skin cancer. Parsley contains one of the highest concentrations of myricetin per 100 grams. Flavonoids are naturally occurring plant compounds that can counter disease-causing agents in the body. Parsley and other green herbs and vegetables have been shown to block the cancer-causing effects of heterocyclic amines. These are chemical compounds that have cancer-causing qualities. They can be generated when meat is grilled at high temperatures. Apigenin has been shown to decrease tumor size in an aggressive form of breast cancer. Researchers believe that apigenin could be a promising non-toxic cancer treatment in the future. Apigenin is a natural chemical found in parsley. May improve blood sugar and thus help protect against diabetes. Elevated blood sugar levels can increase your risk of health complications such as insulin resistance, diabetes, heart disease, and metabolic syndrome, a cluster of symptoms including high cholesterol and high blood sugar. The myricetin present in parsley has also been examined for use in the treatment and prevention of diabetes. Along with eating a balanced diet, adding parsley to your cooking may help support healthy blood sugar levels. It also appears to provide anti-inflammatory effects and remove excess fat from the blood. Can improve bone health. Parsley is rich in vitamin K, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, all of which are essential to bone health. Low vitamin K intake has been associated with a higher risk of bone fracture. Consuming an adequate amount of vitamin K may improve bone health by improving calcium absorption and reducing the excretion of calcium in the urine. 10 sprigs of parsley are enough to reach the recommended daily intake of vitamin K. Eating a range of fruits, vegetables, and herbs is linked to a reduced risk of health problems. A diet with higher quantities of natural foods and fewer manufactured foods is more likely to result in better overall health. May aid kidney health. Your kidneys are important organs that constantly filter your blood, removing waste and extra water, which is then excreted with your urine. Sometimes, when urine becomes concentrated, mineral deposits can form and lead to a painful condition called kidney stones. Parsley has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties due to its antioxidants, including flavonoids, carotenoids, and vitamin C. Additionally, parsley may help keep your kidneys healthy by reducing high blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney disease. The anti-inflammatory properties of parsley, along with its ability to regulate urinary pH and reduce blood pressure, may help keep your kidneys healthy and lower your risk of kidney stones. Please note that parsley is relatively high in oxalates, compounds that may increase kidney stone risk. but health experts recommend that only people with hyperoxaluria characterized by excessive oxalate excretion in the urine limit their intake of dietary oxalates. Can benefit heart health. Parsley contains carotenoid antioxidants and vitamin C, both of which have been shown to benefit heart health. Heart conditions like heart attacks and strokes are the leading cause of death worldwide. Parsley contains many plant compounds, including carotenoid antioxidants, which have been found to benefit heart health by reducing heart disease risk factors. For instance, carotenoid-rich diets have been shown to improve heart disease risk factors like chronic inflammation, as well as elevated blood pressure and LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Studies indicate that diets high in carotenoid can decrease your risk of heart conditions like coronary artery disease. Parsley also contains vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that may benefit your heart health. Risks. It is important not to suddenly alter the amount of vitamin K in the diet while taking blood thinners such as Coumadin or warfarin. Vitamin K plays a key role in blood clotting. Do not stop taking any prescribed medications or treatments without consulting your doctor. The materials and the information contained on this channel are provided for general and educational purposes only and do not constitute any legal, medical or other professional advice on any subject matter.